Cordless power tools are some of the best shop companions you can have, and I bet you treat them like they're indestructible. If you've ever had a cordless drill die too soon, or a battery that just doesn't seem to last, today I'm going to shine a light on 5 ways that you're killing your cordless power tools. Let's dive into it. Hi friends, Cale here with Dansbee Designs. We help people over 50 who want to get into woodworking with simple projects, straightforward guidance, and minimal tools. If you find value in this video, please give it a like and subscribe and share it with a fellow woodworker. Number 1, don't ignore your batteries. Keep them topped off and keep them stored in a climate-friendly space. Out here in Colorado during the winter, our shop's not heated with anything more than a fireplace. So that means all the batteries head inside during the winter, and they live right next to the wood glue, which also moves indoors for the winter. Number 2, don't overwork the battery. Let's do some simple math. This battery cost about $100. This bit cost about $10. We can see that pushing too hard with a dull drill bit while holding your hands over the drill's exhaust vents just doesn't add up. It's tempting to push that drill through hardwood with the wrong bit, or use your cordless circular saw with a dull blade on stock that's just too thick. But forcing a tool beyond what it's designed to do causes it to overheat, and heat hurts the motor, burns it out, and it kills more than motors. Heat kills batteries too. Use sharp serviceable blades and bits and let the tool do the work. Tools, bits, batteries, and motors will last much longer, and thank you for it. Number 3, don't skip cleaning. Sawdust is sneaky. It clogs vents, packs into moving parts, and also traps moisture. If you put your tools away dirty, you're just asking for trouble. After each project, or at least on some scheduled interval, give your tools a quick brush or a blast of compressed air. It only takes a minute, keeps motors breathing easy, and your tools will thank you for it in the long run. Number 4, don't forget proper storage. Leaving tools piled on a bench or tossed in a corner doesn't just look messy. It can knock them out of alignment, break their plastic housings, or crack batteries if they fall. Store your cordless tools on shelves, hooks, or in cases. Treat them with care, and they'll return the favor. Number 5, don't ignore maintenance. We tend to think of cordless tools as bulletproof. Even cordless tools need a little love every now and then. Tighten screws, check the chuck on your drill, and keep blades and bits sharp. Small maintenance steps can prevent big failures and keep your power tools working like the day you bought them. So there you go, 5 ways to avoid killing your cordless tools. Ready for that pro secret I mentioned earlier? It's about making contact with your battery. And I'm talking about these contacts. Power travels from the battery through these contacts to your tool. Any kind of dust, rust, moisture, grime, grit in here causes resistance, and resistance in electricity is a bad thing, friends. You want the power to flow from your battery through these contacts and into your tool. To do that, grab a cotton swab and some rubbing alcohol. Keeping these contacts clean keeps the power flowing from the battery to the tool and keeps you woodworking for a long time. So there you have it. 5 ways to stop killing your cordless power tools. Take care of your batteries, take care of your tools, keep them clean, do regular maintenance, store them properly, and they'll last you for years. These tools are an investment, and replacing them is expensive. So hope you found this video helpful. That's it for me, friends. Till next time, peace, love, and sawdust. I'm out.